These are vegan butterfly cookies for a very special friend of mine. Let's check them out. Starting out with the body, because you want everything based off of that. You're going to want to pipe the body in whatever shape or size you want. Let that dry for a little bit, then you're going to want to do the head. Hold off on the ears, or the antennae actually, because those are going to be the very last step. I'm starting off with the bottom because it is the darkest color. I'm going to fill that all in. And I'm not going to lie, I thought these were actually going to be kind of hard at the beginning. And then while I was doing them, it really didn't take me too long to make these. And they turned out really cute. So immediately right after you're done with that, you're going to go in with the white. You'll see I waited a little bit too long here in a second. So you're going to want to do it immediately after you do this. So you're going to pipe 4 dots. And then you're going to take your little scribe tool and trace them towards the top corner of the bottom portion of the wing. Then this, on the top, you use a lighter color, or really whatever color you want. In this case, I did a light purple, and you're going to fill in those wings. And for this one, you do want it to dry before, or at least get that nice top crust over before putting the next step on. I just went ahead and added a little bit extra on this one, and you're going to repeat on the second wing. Next, you're going to grab your white or whatever color you would like, and you're going to make little tear drop loops around each and every one of those circles. You're going to want it to be crusted over before you do this so that it sits on top. Pro tip, and looking back on this, you're going to want to have a smaller tip, I would say, because I think it'll help make it pop and not look too white on the wings. And here's where you can get creative and add whatever design to that top of that wing you want. I don't think any of mine came out exactly identical. And then this is also the time when you can go ahead and make those antennae. Once that is dry, you're going to go over with gold. I think I waited about maybe 5 minutes and then went and painted the gold. Now, depending on how much gold you want to pop, you can do multiple layers. And then I'm flicking the gold paint on top just to add a little something on top of each one. If you have any comments on this video, please put them down below. If you liked what you watched, please go ahead and click that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It really helps me out. And be super today.